In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Jotform private. Whether you're looking to tighten the control over who can access your form or simply prefer keeping things under wraps for select eyes, adjusting these settings is a straightforward process. Let's walk through this step by step, starting with getting into your form settings. First, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate to the My Forms page. This is your central hub where you'll find a list of all your forms. Locate the specific form you wish to make private. Click on it to select it, and then proceed by clicking on Edit Form. After opening your form for editing, direct your attention to the navigation bar at the top of the page, where you'll see a tab labeled Publish. Click on this tab to dive into the world of sharing options at your disposal. Now that you're in the Publish section, you'll notice a Quick Share tab. This is where the transformation of your form's accessibility truly begins. Here, look for the Link to Share section. Next to this link, you'll observe a gear icon, which serves as a gateway to your customized privacy settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. You'll be greeted with a few options that dictate how your form can be accessed by others. Understanding these options is crucial to making your form private. First up, there's the public form setting, which means anyone with the link can view the form and submit responses without restrictions. This is ideal for scenarios where you desire wide accessibility with minimal fuss. Next, you have the private form setting, designed for tighter control. With this setting, only the individuals you specifically invite have the privilege to access the form. However, it's important to note that invited people need to have a Jotform account in order to view and fill out the form. This step introduces an extra layer of exclusivity and security to your form's distribution. Finally, if you are utilizing Jotform Enterprise or Jotform Teams, you'll see an option labeled Company Access. This setting allows only individuals with email addresses belonging to your company domain to access the form. This is particularly useful for internal use within your organization, ensuring that sensitive information remains within trusted hands. Carefully decide which access level aligns best with your needs and make your selection accordingly. Your choice will automatically be saved, making the process seamless and efficient. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the path to making your Jotform private, controlling access precisely the way you want it. By ensuring that only the right eyes see your form, you maintain the integrity and confidentiality required for your documents and data. Thanks for watching, and happy form making!